What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Seagate Backup Plus Slim 2 TB external hard drive. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop future videos, whether it's unboxing videos, review videos, gaming, streaming videos, whatever, all that good stuff. Okay, I just got this about a couple of days ago, and I've been wanting to do an unboxing video for it, but um, like I said, I had some little problems with my tripod, so I got that fixed. But anyway, yeah, this is the Seagate Backup Plus Slim, a 2 TB hard drive. This comes in 4 sizes: 1 TB, 2 TB, 3 TB, and 4 TB. So 2 TB, that's about 2,000 gigabytes. Okay, that's a lot of storage that you can store on this thing. And it also comes with a 4-month membership of Adobe Creative Cloud, photography plan. You also can use this for the for a Mac or a PC, Windows PC computer. So it's compatible with both. It's compatible with a Mac, and it's compatible with a Windows PC. So that's good to go. That's good news that this is compatible with both Windows and PC. Windows and Mac. So and this is my second Backup Plus Slim. I have three, including this one, 3 total Seagate hard drives, and they have given me no trouble. Here's my blue one. It comes with the white USB cord for data transfer. The blue, this is a blue Backup Plus Slim. This is 1 TB. And this one right here, this is just a regular external hard drive. This is not the Backup Plus Slim. This is actually for my PS5, so I don't have to never, and I mean never, have to worry about running out of room if I install a game or something like that, because they don't give you enough space on the the internal hard drive on the PS5. I think it's about 825 gigabytes, something like that. But this is like 4 TB right here, and especially if I'm like buying a lot of games in the future, this will save me from running out of space. And you can put PS5 games on external hard drive now, so that's a good plus right there. Shout out to Sony for that. But anyway, let's get back to the unboxing video of the Seagate Backup Plus Slim. Let's unbox this right now and see what we get inside. Let's see. God. Let's see. These are usually easy for me to open. Oh man, of course I don't have to get a knife. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get it open myself without the use of a knife. Okay. Sorry about that. I want to have a knife. Because usually I need a knife when I open my blue Backup Plus Slim external hard drive. Come on. A little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Ta-da, got it open. So what you get inside, you get some documentation, warranty information. Actually, yeah, no, and it has a disc called my Leo Create. I don't know what this is. I think it's something that you can organize your photos on. See that my Leo Create. Yeah, some documentation here. Adobe Creative Cloud and the instructions for the Backup Plus Slim. This does have a 1-year warranty on it, so if anything happens to your external hard drive, if it gets corrupt or anything like that, you can actually call Seagate, and then they'll send you another one at no charge, because I had a Backup Plus Slim a while ago, and they actually sent me another one, which was this one. I did some and I'll explain that to you in a minute when I get to the don'ts when it comes to external hard drives and why I like external hard drives. So I'm gonna explain that in a minute. So here's the external hard drives. I think it just comes up like this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's a lot like my blue one. Yeah, it's not like my blue one. It's kind of a matte black. Get a lot of fingerprints on it because of that matte black finish, but it's pretty damn good. I was going to get another blue one, but then stopped discontinuing it on Amazon for some strange reason. So yeah, it's going to have a lot of prints on it with that matte black finich, and it's the same size as the blue one. What else you get in here? Yeah, the transfer cable, so you can transfer data from back and forth from your external hard drive to your computer. So, and my blue one has the white one. So there you go. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why I like external hard drives. Number one, their reliability. They're reliable. You can just plug and play. Excuse me, not plug and play. Plug and transfer data from your computer to your MacBook. So that's one of the reasons why I like them. And number two is you don't have to worry about like taking your computer apart and putting an internal hard drive in. So that's another reason why I like them. Here's what you do not want to do if you own an external hard drive. Okay, some people have this habit bad. They have this habit bad, and I've made this mistake myself previously. So number one, actually, this is the main reason. Ain't no number one, two, and three. This is the main reason. Excuse me, this is the main thing that you do not want to do with an external hard drive. When you eject it, do not pull it out of your computer. I don't care if you plugged it up to a PS5, Xbox One X, TV, Blu-ray player, a 4K Blu-ray player, Mac, Windows, PC. It doesn't matter. Always eject. If it has an option, most of the time it does. Hit that eject button on the screen. Do not pull it out, because you really know what that does when you just pull it out, especially if you do it like multiple times. You risk corrupting your data and corrupting your hard drive. And I'm telling you, you do not want to do that. You do not want to corrupt your hard drive. So that's the main thing that you do not want to do as an external hard drive user. It's like yank it out of the PC or PS5 or whatnot, and that's about it, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to do more of these unboxing videos in the future, but like I said, I know you guys know I'm going to do a lot of streaming videos because I stream a lot from my PS5. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'm going to like I said, drop future streaming, PS5 streaming videos and all that good stuff for you guys, okay? Like I said, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I hope you have a great weekend. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.